Can you tell the difference between shirt and church? Shirt with SH. Shh, shh, like shh, don't talk so loud. Shh, or church. Ch, 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 ch. Shirt and church. Ch, 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 CH. Ch, 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 ch. There you put your tongue, the tip of your tongue, on the roof of your tongue. Think of doing a T for church. The tip of the tongue is curled up so that it's touching the not the teeth, but more towards the middle of the top, the roof of your mouth. Think of a T. Church. You see how strong that is? Church. Church. As opposed to the SH, which is shh, shh, shh. It's almost like you want to whistle. Shh, shh. No, well, I'm sorry, not whistle, but the tip of the tongue is more almost towards the teeth. It's not curled up like in church, but it's more shh, shirt. Shirt is softer. Shirt, as opposed to church. Church. I bought a shirt for church. Church. It's not church. Church. It's not church. It's church. As opposed to shirt or shoes. Shoes. He has nice shoes. He had to choose. That's very different. Choose. Ch, ch, ch. Again, the tip of your tongue is curled up. T, T, T. In the middle of the roof of your mouth. Thank you.